Hello everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an Italian coin, 1,000 lira, but it's two parts. So I can't punch this out. I'm just going to do the brass piece. So the way I get that bit out is I just put it in my little doming block. I take it over to Big Red, like so. Hey, somebody bit my leg there. Sorry, ladies. Right, and you just want to punch that out. Obviously, get it sort of level, and like so. There you go. And your left. That's a bit too small to make a coin ring. Would make a nice one. I might try it one day, but that's smaller than a sixpence. So that's done. So now I want to clean up that edge. Notice you see the edge, and so it's holding the center part. You want to get that out. Right, there you go. Nice and clean. And we're going to warm it up. This is going to be a very narrow-banded ring, but I like them. So if you're from Italy and you're looking for a nice ring, I've got one. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video, about there somewhere. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Costs you nothing, it's no obligation, I won't bother you. I think that's hot enough, don't you? I need to fill up my cup again. It's getting a bit low. How low can you go? Now what was that about? I don't know. Sorry about that. So how am I going to start this? I could start it with this, I think. So we're going to go with, yeah, we'll go with this side, sunny side up on the ring. So that's going to go face down. I've got this big old it's not going to work, is it? That should. Yeah. I just want to start it because it's a bugger just to try and get this to fold. Let's go over to Big Red. So just to get it started. Now we can go over to 17-degree folding die. That's too small. One, two, three, four. Where did my other one go? Mr. Organised is in town, as you can see. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. And that fits in there just right. So we'll put a little bit of Luby-Loo. This helps things slide a bit easier. Oh, it's funny, on Monday, first Monday of every month, they set off the air raid sirens case there's going to be a, you know, someone's going to drop a bomb or something. Of course, all the tourists are there, and every first Monday of the month, they test them, make sure everything's working. Of course, these sirens go off, and everyone starts wondering what's going on. Some people get really panicky, you know. No, it's just a test. You're okay. Don't worry. Right. That was that. Did that go all the way? Yes, it did. Right. Let's dry it off. It's got coconut oil everywhere. So I now have to go to the spike again. And we need to do the business on this one. This is going to be quite a big ring. Same as all the other rings, you just want to get the bow out. There's a little bit of a bow still there. So we'll give it a few more bumps. You turn it each time so it stretches the ring equally all the way around. Right. How's that looking? Yeah, it's more cone shaped. I'll give it a bit more. Let's go crazy. So if you're from Italy and you're looking for a ring, I've got you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. Right, let's go to the bottom end of spike. And these are reduction dies, and you just want one like that one. There, below. You just want to straighten the walls up. If you're just starting this and you've got any questions, I'll happily answer them for you. By no means am I an expert at this game. I've only been doing it for a year. But them walls look pretty straight to me. Do they to you? Yeah. That's pretty damn sexy. That's why I drink Pepsi. If you drink Pepsi, it keeps you sexy. Did you know that? Right, let's stick in Kate. Get some of this oil off because it really screws up Kate. She doesn't like it. Right, let's clean it up a bit. Right, let's take out the one and only and put in Felton John. And, oh dear, I forgot to put the lid on. The other lid's on, now it's off again. What? What's all that about? Sort yourself out. Right. This should come up quite good as well. Right. What we got? Oh yeah, it's come up pretty good. Shiny, shiny. I do clear coat all my rings as well, so you shouldn't have any problems. Depending on how you wear it, if it does start going a bit thin here and there, you can always top it up with a bit of clear nail varnish. But the stuff I use is pretty good. Right, what we got? I like the design. 1,000 lira. You got all the text on the inside, that's why I use the kitchen roll. Yeah, happy with it. What size we got? It's quite a big ring on 13, 14, 13. What we got? Oh, 12. Just over 12 and a half, nearly 12 and 3/4. But I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. Thanks for your love and help and comments and hitting the like button. If you haven't hit the like button, how about it? Show me some love, come on. And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, have a great day, and behave yourselves.